Xinalani, where my next retreat is going to be, is one of my most magical retreat locations. It is built up into the jungle, right on the beach. And so it's like living in a treehouse for a week. It's my childhood dream come true. The rooms are open air, and you're looking over the ocean, and the yoga spaces looking over the ocean with open air. The people that host us at the retreat are the locals, and they treat us like a cherished guest in their home. And I felt like royalty because they're so sweet and caring and really accommodating to my needs. And so the food is amazing. They really take pride in the food. It's mostly Mexican dishes and really gourmet, healthy, delicious. It's like luxury really connected to nature. So the accommodations are super comfortable. The beds have netting. They have safes for your security. There is Wi-Fi. So if you need to use the internet, you can. The other beautiful thing about being at Xinalani is that there will be other yoga groups there at the same time. Usually there's 3 groups, different groups. And so you get to meet all sorts of people from all over the world who are, kindred spirit. You can mingle with other people who are into yoga. And some of the groups are very much into personal growth and conscious living. And so you can connect with them. And if you have any questions about the location, please leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them.